Here I have Alcatel One S 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So to do this, firstly let's open settings, then go to the home screen and lock screen section, then wallpapers. You can select one of the pre-installed on device wallpapers, one of these super aesthetic ones, like hell, and or you can just set any other photo or just image that you can download from the internet and go onto the My Photos. Then pick a photo. Then you can crop it or adjust it like this. Tap edit crop. Here you can select how you want your image to look, and then tap done. And then tap done if you want to set it on a home screen, tap set both if you want to set it on home screen and lock screen. And as you can see, my wallpaper changed. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.